Hi, I'm Tarah Sullivan, and this is my third year as a PLI teacher. A standout experience I had with my students while working as a PLI teacher was probably with my second and third grade ELA class when we created a wax museum. The students had to research someone famous who was or is a positive role model, and as a culminating project for this biography unit, the students came to class dressed as this person. They had to speak in first person about their achievements and answer questions. We got to meet Dolly Parton, The Rock, and JoJo Siwa, just to name a few. What I love most about being a teacher is connecting with my students and feeling like I'm making a difference. A fun fact about me outside of my life as a teacher is I love experiencing new things with my family, and I enjoy spending my free time outside, whether it's hiking, going to concerts, or exploring new places.